Hello, this is Marco from Wheezy.io. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through changing the workflow owner in Form Workflow Plus. These steps come in handy when the workflow owner wants to delegate their role to a colleague. For this demo, we're working with a day off request workflow currently owned by TestDev1 at kickfunders.com. I'll show you how to transfer ownership to TestDev2 at kickfunders.com. We have the worksheet open and notice that TestDev1 is currently logged in with the workflow activated under his email address. To start the transfer, the current owner logs in, then opens the worksheet and add-on as what we have here. Simply toggle the workflow activation button to off. Next, let's make sure the new owner has editor permissions on this worksheet. Click the Share button on the top right corner, then grant editor access to the new owner. In this case, TestDev2 at kickfunders.com. Next, let's add the new owner as collaborator on the Google form. Click on the Form menu, then Edit Form. Click on the three-dot menu on the top right, then Add Collaborators. At this point, the new workflow owner has editor permissions on the worksheet and added as collaborator on the Google form. We then proceed by making sure the new owner has creator user role via the Form Workflow Plus web app. Click on the Go to Web App link at the bottom of the sidebar or go directly to app.formworkflowplus.com. The current owner, TestDev1 at kickfunders.com, logs into the web app and goes to account settings, then adds TestDev2 at kickfunders.com as a user and owner. Once added, the creator role is removed from TestDev1. TestDev2 is then granted creator user role. Finally, these changes are saved. At this point, the new owner simply needs to log in, run the add-on on the worksheet, and activate the workflow. To demonstrate, we'll open a new window and log in as TestDev2 at kickfunders.com. With the sidebar loaded, simply toggle the activation button to on. There you have it. The workflow is now activated by TestDev2 at kickfunders.com. This completes the ownership transfer process. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. It's easy to change the workflow owner on Form Workflow Plus. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on your favorite social media platform as well. Do you have a workflow question? Reach out to support@wheezy.io for a chance to speak to our friendly customer success managers. This is Marco from Wheezy.io. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next video.